What's up everyone, I'm James and today we're going to be talking about a combo pack people have been looking forward to for a long time, as well as announcing the winner of the $500 Timapano customer shopping spree. Stick around. But before we get there, the new Parts Express flyer is available now and it's packed with some really great deals. If you haven't already received yours, give us a call or sign up on the site to get every new issue sent right to your home. This particular month features a really cool shot starring our very own sales associate, Bo Jerami. Now, that's not the only thing Bo has been up to this month. If you missed our Facebook live stream of our DMX 101 class, you can now watch the full video on Facebook and YouTube. Color your future with the basics of DMX lighting to launch yourself into a new world of professional lighting. Now hold up, hold on, wait a what? Hold on. I can get rubber cabinet feet in a 4-pack now? That's right, we've taken some of your favorite rubber cabinet feet and created 4-packs, so now you can get everything you need in one purchase. We really think you're actually going to love them. All right. Let's go ahead and announce the winner of the $500 Parts Express shopping spree, thanks to our friends at Timapano. Now, are you the winner? Because if you're Kyle Phillips from Pickerington, Ohio, then congratulations, and we will be in contact soon so you can start your full-on shopping spree on the site. Now, even if you didn't win the Timapano giveaway, you still can win this month's contest. Click on the link in the description to find out about how you can enter for a Dayton Audio Reference 12-inch subwoofer kit with dual passive radiators and a 500-watt DSP plate amp, a $659 value for free, as long as you sign up and your name is drawn at the end of the month. Good luck, and until next time, have a good one.